I'm Dennis, and I'm developing a widget for a browser that lets you hover over a word that you want to learn and then gives you a word game to help you learn it. It assesses your vocabulary level and then it matches it and sets up an optimal learning situation. This is what cognitive scientists call the regime of competence. That's why video games are so compelling and addictive. In this country alone, each year we spend almost $600 billion on K-12 education, about $300 billion on corporate training. And it's all using an old one-to-many model of information transmission. This device is one-to-one in every case. It's almost always giving you an optimal learning exchange. The device can be employed on just about any kind of digital device. It could be on a phone. Smartphones are great. The iPhone is great. The G phone will probably be great. It could be on a computer, hooked up to the internet or not, although hooked up to the internet is definitely the robust way to go, because you can employ Web 2.0 features like a freemium business model, basically. People can do it as long as they want for free. If they want to take it to a more intense level or learn a specialty, they can then pay. There's user-generated games. People make their own games, and the games that are popular and the games that work the best in terms of facilitating learning, you could get paid for creating those. So there'll be a business model for lots of people to be involved with it. There'll be social networking, interacting in group-like settings for games, a lot of opportunity for that. And it particularly works well when an environment like this is designed to meet people right where their passions are. I mean, that's what's the success of all of the different Web 2.0 sites. And this sort of brings that all together under the rubric of learning. Eventually, all cognitive abilities can be learned in this way, because we can develop assessment engines for every single cognitive ability. And then start to give people ratings where, you know, you're a 10 in this area, a 6 in this area, and a 3 in this area, so you're playing somebody with different ratings and you're getting points based on that. And it starts to be mind-boggling. Any case, eventually I see this evolving as a kind of alternative reality game for learning